little higher. Maybe we gotta hit that fire. Smoking, never look back. Going overhead, drinking, yeah, bumping, grinding.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. In today's video, I'm on my way to work. I'm just do a little quick rundown. Doing a quick rundown of what's been going on, man. Today is 4th of July, by the way. So happy 4th of July to everyone. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice ass 4th of July, not like mine that I gotta go damn freaking go to work. Damn, man, this life sucks, bro. Anyways, yeah, I'm on my way to work, man, and I wanted to talk to y'all about some things that's been going on. And so my mom got surgery. First of all, my mom got surgery, you know what I mean? My mom comes first no matter what, you feel me? So my mom got surgery, everything went good. You know, she's good now, you know what I mean? But I had to be there for her. I had to, you know, make sure she doesn't carry anything. She could barely even walk, you know what I mean? So, you know, it's crazy. I'm not gonna go into too detail on the surgery type, but yeah, it was a really hard surgery, and she's doing a lot better now, 10 times better. So you know, thank God nothing happened to her or on the surgery, feel me? And then once that happened, you know, I had to take care of her for like a good 2.5 weeks. And then my girlfriend, which if you're watching this, I'm pretty sure you're gonna watch this. I love you so much. But anyway, she got surgery on her on her face type. And yeah, man, it was pretty hard, you know, especially for her family. You know, I don't want to get into too much detail on her because, you know, that's private stuff, you know what I mean? But her family's been going through some hard times right now, especially with his dad's side. So they've been going through a lot right now, and especially her right now, you know, she's going through a lot of pain and trying to recover, you know what I mean? She can barely eat some stuff, you know what I mean? And you know, she's suffering, but I know she can do it, and she'll be good in the next 5 weeks or so. So you guys should be seeing her in my videos now. So, oh, and by the way, talking about videos, she will be posting a lot more videos now. We're gonna be posting a lot more videos now. We're gonna be going out doing adventures and stuff like that. So you guys should stay tuned, man, because this year was freaking crazy, bro. Like, this year a lot of stuff happened, and and yeah, man, and yeah, I mean, we're just trying to get through it, you know what I mean? We're not trying to be all negative about all that stuff that's been happening, but we're trying to get through it, you know. It's life, you know what I mean? That's how life is. You gotta get through stuff and, you know, become stronger and learn from it. So so yeah, that's basically what has been happening, and that's why I haven't been posting any gaming videos or anything like that. But I will be soon, and I will be uploading every frequently. Also, I'm also thinking about streaming a little bit. Maybe streaming on Twitch or on YouTube, whichever you guys prefer, or, you know, whichever I think, you know, will be a lot better. But yeah, that's about it, man. I mean, other than that, I mean, I'm good, you know what I mean? Nothing's happening to me, thank God. I'm in good hands. Other than that, I mean, I've just been working all day, and I've been trying to record videos, been trying to make my new intro, but I got a new one coming up. So I'm pretty sure if you guys follow me on my social medias, on my Snapchat or on my Instagram, that's where I posted it at. Also my Twitter, but I don't really use that Twitter a lot. I mainly use it just for business type, but I mean, everything will be down in the description below. So if you guys want to check me out, you know, follow me, man. I'll follow back. I need followers, you know what I mean? But yeah, You're probably wondering what are you driving right now, you know what I mean? If you're new to the channel, you know what's up, man. My name is Jason. I own a 2003 Volkswagen GTI, and yeah, I'm on my way to work right now. So what's up, you know what I mean? But anyways, you know, if you're new, man, you know, make sure to subscribe, bro, because I'm gonna be making a lot more car videos like this. And especially today, you know, since it's 4th of July, I decided to, you know, bring out the camera, because, you know, it's gonna be a lot of people popping fireworks and a lot, and, you know, in public places and stuff like that. So I was like, you know, well, why not bring my camera and you know, see what we can catch, you know what I mean? See some fireworks. It's a nice, you know what I mean? 370 though. But yeah. Yeah, guys, that is basically it. I mean, that's how it's been going on, man. It's crazy. I mean, I don't know, man. I always see a lot of cool cars on Highway 6, bro. On my way to work, I always see cars, you know. Look, this is Subi right there. What? Nice little Subi. I'm also on my car, bro. Like I wanna lower it. I wanna, you know, fix it up, buy some nice rims. You know what I mean? I wanna take it to shows. You know what I mean? I wanna take it to shows with my girlfriend or with my friends. You know, I actually don't have friends like that. You know what I mean? I do have friends. You know what I mean? But I don't have friends to, like, you know, go to car meets or, you know, go meet up somewhere. You know what I mean? Do stuff. I mean, they're all, you know, basically busy or just, you know, just doing them, you feel me? And I respect that, you know what I mean? No hate, no nothing. So guess what? I'm doing the same thing, bro. I'm doing my thing, getting my money. Man, 4th of July, what a way to spend it, bro. What a way to spend the day at work all day, bro. From 2 to like 10 p.m. I think today, or 11. I don't know what time I get out. Well, that is life right there, bro. And I'm officially at work. There's a big ass hole over here, bro. Damn. I'm officially at work, guys. That is gonna be it for today's video, man. If you guys enjoyed it, you know, a little short clip of me explaining what's been going on, please leave a like, you know, comment, subscribe, you know, follow my social medias for more videos, man, and for more just, you know, more content if you guys want to see, because I do post my clips or any like crazy clips that I get on Fortnite in one night. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, man. I'm gonna catch you guys later on tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna record at night or if not, but if I do, I will let you guys know. And yeah, well, I'll just turn on the camera, but yeah. All right, guys, it's gonna be it for the video, man. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I love every single one of you guys, man. Take care and have a freaking awesome 4th of July. And I know this video is not gonna go in, well, it's not gonna go in on YouTube the same day, but the next day. But you guys know what I mean, man. I hope y'all had a fantastic, guys, 4th of July with y'all's family and whatnot. But all right, guys, man, I'm gonna catch y'all later, bro. It's your boy OVJ signing off. Peace out.